Can you define your specific purpose for our listeners?
My purpose, when I look back at my life and the things that I have walked through and where I'm at now, I can say that I can see the path where I'm supposed to be going, and I am at peace with that path. So I can say that it is going to be influencing others.
So your purpose is grounded on influencing others. Can you be a little bit more specific, and how would that play out in terms of influencing others?
Okay, so I consider myself to be a survivor. I've survived many, many things in life in terms of, traumas, different things that I have been through. I've, gone through an educational path, and I started off not understanding and growing into understanding. And I'm like, there are so many other people out there who they themselves might not fully understand their path, and they're looking for answers. I do believe that I have a lot of answers for people.
A lot of answers for people. So you state that you are a humble servant and woman of grace. What does that mean?
Well, okay. So I'm going to put my faith into it now. Okay. So I'm strong in terms of my faith in something outside of me that's directed me. Okay. And I submit to that. So faith to me is as defined by my foundational beliefs, the substance of things hoped for, the evidence of things not seen. Faith to me is me being able to manifest my desires, and I submit to that, and I serve that a cause for the betterment of humanity, the betterment of women. I serve a cause that goes beyond what I see in the natural.
You talk about women, right? And I know that you're the founder and CEO of Diamonds Well Place, which is a nonprofit organization that helps single mothers who are experiencing homelessness. How does that align with your purpose and what you're called to do?
Well, Diamonds Well Place, how it aligns with my purpose. I myself have walked through a path where I was in a position of homelessness. And with homelessness, you don't necessarily have to be even under a bridge someplace. You could be in a situation where you're staying with someone. It could even be a mother or a father, but you don't find a place there. You don't have a place of belonging. You don't own it. It's not yours. So while you're going through this transitional period, you just need, to feel a sense of belonging, like you own this. This is where you need to be. So I've been through that process. I've walked through it. I understand it. So I'm operating this ministry. I call it ministry. Organization out of a place of understanding and relatability. So there's tons of other people who might not have a roof under their head. They may be staying with someone and it's not theirs, and they just have this displacement, lack of belonging. So I understand that. And because of my past and what I've been through, I can operate this ministry and know that I am walking in my purpose.